This is the new PDF viewer visual. Once you click on it, let me increase the size of the visual. You add any kind of data you have already in this data field. So let me click this one and drag it here. So once you click on it here to upload the file, and let's see, I will use this one. So this is the file I'll be viewing. Let me collapse these two because I will not be needing them. So all the options here, which I will explain to you now, are available for you to edit your PDF, do some small editing, and mainly to view your PDF. So first thing, when you look at PDF, you have here first at the top, you have the number of pages, and you can navigate to all 3 pages from the top. And also you have the option here to zoom in and zoom out. So these are the first 2 options. And you can go to the down of the page, whatever you prefer. And also here, there is an option to fit to width. So once I click on it, I can see it will fit to the width of the visual. If the visual is smaller, this PDF will take the full size of that particular size that you chose for the visual. So here I can see this PDF I have. And also there is another option here which allows you to do some editing. For example, not editing, like it's mainly about adding some notes or something like this. Like you can write any kind of note you want. So here I can choose the color. I can keep it red. And once I click on this, it says annotation mode on. So I do the editing, and once I click on it again, it will turn the drawing mode off. So I can draw while this annotation mode is on. And once I finish, I click this button again, and then all my annotation will be there in the PDF. So let me show you an example. So once I click on this one, let me say I want to put a circle around this annotate. So I can click the circle. Once I'm done, I will click on this again, and now I see this circle. It's already there. So this is the first option we have in the visual. So let me turn this off. Let me now walk you through the formatting options we have. So this one, I urge everybody to keep it the same as it is in order to restore the PDF. So these are options I had to create. Now going to the appearance. For the appearance, I have background color, control color, and mainly the tool bar background color. If I change this one, for example, to make it black, you will see now the background color of the toolbar has changed to black. Same also for the toolbar height. I can decrease the height a little bit if I wanted to, so it will decrease the toolbar height. This one will show the data field indicator, which is the data field that you added there. I don't need it, so I turn it off. If you want to turn it on, you can turn it on, and you will see it here at the top. Now this is for turning on and off the full, so I can turn off the toolbar completely, and I can turn it back on again. So, and these small control options, so I can change the color of it. Let's say I want to make it white, which I don't think it's a good idea. Or black as well. Let's choose another color. Let's pick, for example, something like green or so. So that's the first formatting option. Second one is called control. So for the controls, you have here option to show the page navigation control. See here, this is option if you want to turn on and off this one by itself, and also this one for the zooming in and zooming out. As to the advanced feature, this is for showing your page navigation on the left hand side. So here there is an option here called page navigator. If I click on it, you will see here all the pages and a preview of the page. Once I click on it, I can easily navigate to the page I wanted to see. And once I turn on it again, it will hide it. If I want to hide this one completely, I will just click on this one. It will hide it. This one to enable and disable the annotation on the right hand side. and this one for the font size of the editing option for the annotation. So mainly here you have all the options to view your PDF and do some writing, for example, some notes or something that you would like to add. If you are presenting and you want to highlight something on your PDF, if you want to attach your schedule from Primavera, whatever it is, you have all the options to do that. So this one has not been submitted to Microsoft at this moment, but soon I will be submitting it to Microsoft for approval. And once it's approved, I will inform everybody so the tool is ready for you to use. Please let me know if anything you would like to add at this moment. I think this is a good idea and a good moment to add any kind of feedback and uh, any kind of suggestions. I think that's the best time to do so, so I can incorporate them before approaching Microsoft for approval. So I'll be waiting for your feedback and for your recommendations. And thanks everybody for watching.